Hello, my name is Jacob Wright. I'm a Carolina Cyber Network intern working for North Carolina's Department of Information Technology. Before becoming an intern at Carolina Cyber Network, my pathway into cybersecurity was very unguided. Didn't really have a specific direction I wanted to go in, or didn't really know what direction to go in. But I was able to ask a bunch of questions and get them answered through some mentors at Carolina Cyber Network, and I found being an investigative cybersecurity professional was what I wanted to do. Yeah, so CCN's prepared me by guiding me on what tools and what type of certifications to go for, along with hands-on labs that really guided me and allowed me to test things out hands-on and really learn how the fundamentals are used at the higher level, like at a SOC or something similar. What excites me most about working in a SOC environment is just the collaboration that you get to participate in with a team. You really have to make sure that you're communicating effectively, you're on the same page as your other teammates, as well as talking the same language and understanding the same language of cybersecurity at that level. And that environment really just excites me and keeps me interested in the workflows that I go through with my team. Carolina Cyber Network has helped me gain confidence in talking to people, communication skills as well, and the ability to network efficiently. I've been to multiple CCN events where I've had to talk to state legislators or other officials in the state government, and it allowed me to get to know a lot of people and make those connections. My advice for other students just starting out on their journey in cybersecurity would be to get involved in as many programs as possible, continuously learning those tools on your free time and just honing your craft so that when you get to the point where you're able to operate within a team, let's say an official SOC environment, you're able to speak the language, understand the language, and just perform alongside those other cybersecurity professionals. Absolutely. I had two mentors from CCN. First one was Timothy Ingram. He's an instructor at Fayetteville Technical Community College. He was able to answer like a bunch of questions I had for him, help steer me in the right direction, involving different cybersecurity tools, certifications as well. And the other mentor I had was Marcus Hawley, which just guided me in the right direction after I got accepted as an intern and answered a bunch of questions as well. I never had a lack of questions when being involved with these two gentlemen. So they really helped me perform and just rocketed me towards landing a job.